prism. Refraction, and dispersion. To understand refraction of light through a prism, you must know what is a prism. A prism is a triangular piece of glass. It has 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular lateral surfaces. These surfaces are inclined to each other. The angle between its 2 lateral faces is called the angle of prism. Let us perform an activity to understand refraction of light through a triangular glass, called as prism. Place a glass prism on a white paper sheet, fixed on a drawing board. Trace the outline of the prism using a pencil. And draw a straight line, PE, inclined to one of the refracting surfaces, say AB, of the prism. On the line PE, fix 2 pins at points P and Q. Now, look for the images of the pins fixed at the points P and Q through other surface AC. Fix 2 more pins at point R and S in such a manner that pins P, Q, R, and S lie on the same straight line. Remove the pins and the glass prism. Now join the points R and S and extend it up to the nearest boundary of the prism. Let it meet the boundary of the prism at F. Join the points E and F. Now draw perpendicular to the refracting surfaces AB and AC at points E and F, respectively. Here, PE is incident ray. EF is refracted ray. FS is emergent ray. Angle A is angle of the prism. Angle I is angle of incidence. Angle R is angle of refraction. Angle E is angle of emergence. It is clear from the above activity that, when a ray of light passes through air and enters a glass surface AB, that is, from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. But, when the same light ray travels from glass to air, it is refracted away from the normal. Due to the peculiar shape of the prism, an incident ray gets deviated on passing through a glass prism. The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray is called the angle of deviation. Here, angle D is the angle of deviation. Thus, a ray of light, passing through a prism, bends towards the base of the prism. Dispersion of light by a prism. The inclined refracting surfaces of a glass prism show exciting phenomenon. The prism splits the incident white light into a band of colors. The band of the colored components of a light beam is called spectrum. And the splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. We get a colored spectrum because the different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray as they pass through a prism. Thus, we can say that rays of each color emerge along different paths and become distinct.